4:30 in the morning. We're officially starting our way to Machu Picchu. So we're leaving Aguascalientes right now to walk to the main gate. Okay, so we officially started. We're like 10 minutes in maybe, going up the trail. And it's just straight up stair steps. Should take about an hour though. We made it.
We made it.
We're at the top. The trick took us just a little bit under an hour. Solid. We're walking up Machu Picchu mountain right now, which is the big mountain on the side of it. It's really foggy and wet and raining, so it's kind of miserable up here right now. The fog lifted for a second though, so we got a good glimpse of Machu Picchu. So hopefully as the day goes on, it's going to get a little bit clearer. Machu Picchu mountain is a 2-hour hike straight up, all stairs. It's pretty miserable as well. We gave up on Machu Picchu mountain because we have like no energy for some reason. We need like a protein shake or something to bring us back to life. And the weather's just like not good for making you want to do anything. Okay, it's still cold. We tried to take a little nap on the side of Machu Picchu somewhere, because that's what we do everywhere we go. Now we're walking to the Inca Bridge. That goes off the God knows where.
Don't want to know where.
So we're just hoping the sun comes out soon and gives us some good energy.
Gives us some life.
Come on, Pachamama. So we were super sleepy and all that, and then we found some wonderful ladies walking the trail all from America and through Cusco.
Hi.
We're like nice and awake, so now we're off to the next spot. We're back alive. The ladies brought us back.
They were our ray of sunshine we needed.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go actually walk through Machu Picchu without a tour guide. Can't tell what the little area I'm walking through is right here, but it looks like little tiny houses. And each one's got a roof looking thing with windows. There's just a bunch of them in a row. Well, what's really cool is the irrigation on it. So the ground right here is like pure stone. It looks like mud, but it's stone. And every one has water drainage cut into it and out. Where it drops in, the double door, means that it's a religious building.
I mean the banana and a religious doorway.
Also, they're really nice stonework. Tell the difference. And this is religious. And it's extra nice right here because this is where the Sun Temple is starting. So it's raining again, and we're hiding under this rock so we don't get wet.
So hungry.
We're gonna keep making our way through here, and then hopefully get some pizza. So what happens when you just get a Machu Picchu ticket? When you go through, it's kind of like a one-way thing. There's a lot of one-ways that kind of direct you in a big circle around it, and then you can't come in once you hit the exit. So we're about to leave. Alright, about to the exit. But now we're gonna take the bus down just because we're soaked and tired and get some food. We're back in Aguas and we are on the hunt for pizza. And then probably passing out after that. We found the pizza, but in Peru, since there's not ranch or anything that we can figure out, we have to make up our own dipping sauce out of mayo, pepper, and Tabasco. Because we're so exhausted, we are taking the train back. We're splurging again.
We did.
Yeah, it was like we got it for like $68 each, which is a lot in Peru. But we've got beautiful views, hopefully lunch at some point, and then we'll be back in Cusco later tonight. We are on the bus back to Cusco. We've had an incredibly lazy last 24 hours.
Slept for 16 of them.
Yeah. If you're wondering why the video just cut earlier, it's because we didn't do anything. We got back after the pizza and slept for literally 16 hours from like 3 to 7:30, 3 p.m. to 7:30 a.m. and then caught the train because we were still feeling lazy. So we're gonna get back to Cusco and hopefully have one more night there and get the train to Puno. Hopefully get a little life in this. We gotta do some laundry and stuff while we're there.